Welcome to another postcard from Kevin Lee. Today I'm in one of Manchester's most fascinating and historic neighbourhoods, Castlefield. Although we're only a short walk to the busy city centre, it feels like a completely different world, with its peaceful canals, old warehouses, cobbled streets and historic bridges. Castlefield is a wonderful place to slow down and discover an important part of Manchester's incredible history. Castlefield is often described as the birthplace of modern Manchester. Nearly 2,000 years ago, the Romans built a fort here called Mamucium, around AD 79. The fort gave Manchester its name, and today you can still visit a reconstruction of part of that Roman settlement. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, and this quiet area became the beating heart of Britain's industrial success. The Bridgewater Canal opened in 1761 and was built to transport coal into Manchester from the Duke of Bridgewater's mines. By making coal much cheaper, it helped to power factories across the city. Canals like this were the motorways of their day, carrying everything from cotton and coal to food and building materials. As you look around, you will see impressive red brick warehouses and towering railway viaducts. Many of these buildings have been beautifully restored and now are home to apartments, cafes, bars, and businesses, giving the historic buildings a new lease of life, while still preserving Manchester's heritage. It's a wonderful mix of old and new. If you enjoy relaxed video reviews like this, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here's a fun fact. The Albert in Albert's shed is a real person, Albert Ramsbottom. Albert helped oversee the renovation of Duke's 92 and used a small shed on site to store his tools. When plans were made to use the site to build a new restaurant, Albert agreed. But with just one condition: it had to be named after him. The name stuck and Albert's shed was born. The building sits in the heart of Castlefield, surrounded by historic canals, railways, viaducts, and former industrial warehouses. One of my favorite things about Castlefield is how peaceful it is. You can sit and watch the boats go by, and enjoy the green spaces that help make this area so special. It's hard to imagine this area was one of the busiest industrial districts anywhere in the world. If you're planning a visit to Manchester, I recommend spending a couple of hours here in Castlefield. Whether you are into photography, architecture, or simply enjoy a relaxing walk by the water, there's something here for you. I hope you have enjoyed this insight into Castlefield. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. See you next time, and thanks for watching.